Second thing that I added, it was an external module, but once I added it, it gave it to everybody. And that is in your My Projects. In the past, I mean, even though you don't really know it, a lot of you don't, well, this group may know it, but others may not know it, that every project has a project ID. The new feature is now showing all of your projects, showing the project ID in your My Projects tab. So if you want some help with something on a project, you don't have to tell us the complete name of the project anymore, which is usually incorrect, because what we need is the exact name, and people invariably will truncate this somehow or abbreviate this somehow, which makes it difficult if you've got 2 or 3 or 4, 10 projects that are almost written the same way, which happens. But if you just send us the project ID, we have the ability to type that in and immediately go to your project. So it's a really nice feature that they added so that we can see. And this is all done through an external module, actually. So as soon as I enabled it, I wanted to check with other people and make sure they could see it, and sure enough, they could. So that was really nice.